guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, let's change that. Welcome back to my channel, sweethearts. The guys think I have to retire it, so okay. So sweethearts, this makeup look, as you saw on the title, it's all the products that I use in winter. All my winter products are usually combination because my skin is combination. So for someone who's oily skin would rather prefer to use dry products as in powdery products, and then for someone who is dry skinned will like to use oily products, like products that are creamy to moisturize the skin in the process. So with this makeup look, I really tried to combine the two. Also, I think you can also go check out my Instagram, the products that I'm going to use on my face for today's video. And then again, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. I'll wait. Thank you. Now, so with this look, I hope you guys like this look and how it came out. I hope you also like the eyeshadows that I've done in this video. I tried to give you 2-in-1 today because I don't want you guys to go up and down on social media, and some people don't have don't have Instagram. But I hope you guys like it, and let's get into this look. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. I really appreciate it. Here we go. For today's makeup look, I'm going to be featuring my winter makeup products that I usually use. Because it's winter now, my shades are a bit lighter, but my skin becomes so dry and brittle. So I want to show you the products that I usually use in winter, and then because my skin really, like, from it, although it's oily, but from the nose going down to my chin, it's very sensitive, very dry. So I use one product that like it helps me moisturize this area of my skin. So that product that I'll be using, it's this is the Makeup Revolution baking oil. So this is the oil. This is the Makeup Revolution oil. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. So what I do is just take this and just put a few and tiny droplets on this part of my face that gets so dry. So now that is done, my primer. So this is the primer that I'll be using today. Just like the last video, just a bit of it, like this tiny, just a bit of it, and apply it on your problem areas. So my problem areas is my smile lines, like you can barely see it, and then like just under my besides my nose, like my pores are so large. So guys, as you can see, I have one eye done. That is not on accident. I just want to do my other eye just so you guys can see it, because last time I did it on Instagram. So I just want to show you guys how I'm going to achieve this makeup eyeshadow look. So just watch. I'm not going to be speaking on this part of the video. I hope I'm not. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'll be using. So When I'm done with my eyelash, I'm going to go in and start this makeup look. So what I'm going to use is this Clinique foundation, the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. So my shade is True Beige, and what I'm going to do is just paint my face with it. That I'll be using excuse me, is the LA Girl Pro concealer. My color is Fawn, so I'm just going to highlight under my eyes. So the next product that I'll be using is the same LA Girl Pro concealer. So I'm just going to use the darkest shade I could find. This is Dark Cocoa. Just going to apply it on the perimeters of my face and also just to cover out my cheekbone. So the next product that I'll be using is this Clinique Sun-Kissed bronzer, True Bronzer Pressed Powder Bronzer. Yeah, Sun-Kissed is the product that I'll be using. I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. I didn't add this in my winter essential looks on the picture that I posted on Instagram, but this is part of it because I feel like winter dark, like we are drawn to more dark colors. So I'll be using the Raving Matte color lip crayon, and I'm just going to outline my lips. Going to use this MAC lip stick. I think it's a matte. Yeah, it's a matte lipstick in the color Taupe or Tube. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. So I'm just going to apply it on the center of my lips. So now that we are done with this makeup look, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some tips, especially those who have combination skin. Usually what I do with winter is always try to have cream products in my makeup routine, so that to make sure that my skin is always moisturized, but also because I have oily skin on the other side, I have to combine the dry or the powdery products with cream products. But anyways, I hope you like this makeup look and how this eyeshadow look came out. And then this is the wig that this I actually did myself, so now I'm doing wigs, eyelashes and wigs. So I'm just plugging my business. It's a seamless plug. And so yeah, this is actually my winter wig. I make sure that I always go big in winter because, you know, I want to cover my ears and make sure that I'm snug and warm. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.